Hello mga kahanggan, this is Broker Arna and we are happy to announce that we are now accredited and partnered with Vermeera. This project is located dito sa Barangay Talisay, Lipa City, along Lipa Alaminos Road. Being an accredited partner with Vermeera gives us the access na may pakita namin kung ano ba ang meron sa project na ito. Tara!
The actual location is within meters of Mount Malarayan Golf and Country Club. Also, it's an hour-and-a-half travel from Makati City. And dahil sa mga ginagawang bypass road, it's an accessible jump-off point for anywhere in the south. Commercial center will also be built in front of the property, making it easy for residents to access essential goods while staying connected and entertained. At Vermeera, sustainability is a priority. The whole 32-hectare development incorporates a natural and green living with pocket parks, botanical gardens, and strategically landscape shared areas. The amenities are clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-sport court, fitness area, playground, jogging pad, and a theme pocket park. Meron ditong 3 house options na pwede mong pagpilian. Mira, a 3-bedroom single detached, Mireo, a 3-bedroom single attached, and Mirela, a 2-bedroom townhouse. I just wanna share that all the 3 houses has achieved an EDGE Advanced Preliminary Certificate. At alam nyo ba na ang EDGE Certified homes are designed to help homeowners save on water and electricity, leading to lower utility bills. Additionally, sustainably built homes maximize the efficiency of construction materials, ensuring your home is built to last for decades. The houses are built to be energy saving with natural ventilation and provision for solar panel integration. Also, roofing insulations are included to provide a cooler indoor climate. Another thing that I like about Vermeera is the goal to match one house to one tree, or the commitment of planting 1,500 trees inside Vermeera.
If you would like to know more or you are interested with Vermeera, mag-message lang po kayo sa amin at i-assist po namin kayo. Again, this is Broker Arna and I'm a licensed real estate broker at your service. Bye!